Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Welcome to July, brand new month, second half of the year. Let's get it. Today was my kind of day. Why? One, because we were down. I love going short more than love going long. That is at least on the NASDAQ. That's what I was trading this morning. And we had some really decent ranges. Check this out. We surpassed the ATR on the Dow, 631 points. Awesome. On the NASDAQ, we were, close enough. 320 out of 327. The Russell was kicking it, 64 points out of an average of only 43. So that's awesome. And I don't know what happened to the S&P. I don't trade that thing, so I don't watch it, but it only got 34 points out of 71 ATR. That's odd. Anyway, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. As we talked about yesterday, we did take out that all-time high from December. Today, we pulled back, which was lovely. So let's go down to a smaller time frame and take a look at what happened. Now, there were a couple pretty decent moves today. However, you would have had to get through the initial nonsense, which is like very, very common these days. It's almost frustrating sometimes these days to do the open range breakout. Well, at least on the NASDAQ, because it's chop up, down, up, down, up, down, lots of wick. Yuck. So that was pretty annoying. It acted as if it was going to get going to the high side, couldn't really pull it off, fooled around a little bit more, made another attempt to the high side, did make a new recent high, and then the good stuff started happening. This is my favorite type of thing. Just strong momentum, big moves, down. I love it. So that was really nice. From there, we made a few attempts at recovery, but as you can see, like the majority of the day, as has been common recently, is like not much. And then another big drop off this afternoon. We did pull ourselves out of that mostly, tried for another recovery, and then ended up, 200 at some points down from where we started. So decent moves. You would definitely have had to be in the right place at the right time. Like if you were just trading the open around 7:30, this, yuck, absolute disaster. But if you did have the patience to wade through this mess or just maybe not even trade it, this was well worth the wait. I did want to let you know that today is the last day to get in at this price point for Vicky Kelly's morning method. You can see there's about 9.5-ish more hours until that price goes back up to the regular price. While it is totally worth it at that price, why not save yourself quite a bit of cash? You're going to save yourself like $1,200 if you sign up today. So you can learn more about it. I'll link you over to this page so you can check it out, or there's a link down below if you'd like to check it out. Make sure to sign up within the next 9 hours at 24 minutes from this recording, and then jump into the live room with her tomorrow morning. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.